Hello guys, welcome back. Got something a little bit different today. I've got myself one of them new Hydra boats from Saber. Arrived this morning. Yeah, I'm going to open it and see what we get. First thing I know, package is nice and light. It's a good thing, I suppose. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, it comes with a lovely protective foam casing, which is obviously nice to keep the boat nice and protected. I did pre-order this a while back, so I got the carrier bag with it. That saved me 50 quid, I think it did. Right. Batteries come all nice and packed in the foam casing. Two batteries, and the remotes in there, and also, yeah, it comes all nice in a nice foam packaging, so it doesn't get damaged. We've got plug, charge it, charge remote, I should imagine, batteries. Right, get down to the boat itself. Lovely design, black carbon finish on it. Lovely and light. I think watched the video over there, it's about 3 kilos weight. I've gone for GPS version